Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
Friends, now let us study regular polygon. A polygon in which all the sides and all the angles are congruent, both equilateral and equiangular, is co-regular polygon. An important property of regular polygon is that it fits exactly into the circle. We can draw a circle passing through the vertices of the polygon, which is called circumscribed circle of polygon. Also, a circle can be drawn touching each side of the polygon, which is inscribed circle of polygon. Perimeter of n-sided regular polygon is equal to NA. So perimeter P is equal to 2A upon R. Area of n-sided polygon A is equal to half NAR. A is also equal to half into perimeter into in radius. Friends, area of regular polygon is equal to half into perimeter into square root of circumradius square minus side square upon 4. That equals to half into NA into square root of R square minus A square upon 4. Where n is equal to number of sides of regular polygon, small r is equal to in radius, r is equal to circumradius, a is equal to length of side of regular polygon. We should also remember that radius of circumcircle of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 upon 3 into side of equilateral triangle. Radius of incircle of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 upon 6 into side of equilateral triangle. Sum of the interior angles of a polygon with n sides is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. And each interior angle of a regular polygon with n sides is equal to 2n minus 4 upon n into 90 degrees. For a hexagon, area A is equal to 3 root 3 upon 2 into side square. And for an octagon with length of each side small a, area A is equal to 2 into 1 plus root 2 into small a square.